If you're finding it hard to put two GoPro arms together like this, and they just don't want to go together, I'll show you the easiest way to put them together. As you can see, there's a little dip right here. What you want to do is you just want to get it in the dip, push in, and it will go in straight away. Then you can line up the screws and screw it in. This is the same if you're finding it hard to put the GoPro into a mount. You do the same thing. You find the dip, you just push it into the dip, line it up, then put the screw in. And also, if you were doing it with one of these, it's just the same. Push it into a dip where you can get it like a corner, and then screw it up. That is how to put GoPro arms together easily.